Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to connect more than one USB pen drive to your Android phone. Okay, so this video is going to be very interesting. So watch this video until and very carefully. So as you can see guys, I have two USB pen drives. So just simply I want to connect it to my Android phone and I want to access some important storage files from my USB pen drive. Okay, so for this guys, you need to use the one USB hub. Okay, so I have got this USB hub. As you can see guys, by mistakenly I have purchased the USB hub with normal USB port. As you can see guys, you need to purchase the USB hub with type C, okay, cable. For this guys, I am going to convert this USB hub into type C converter. So by using this simple adapter, as you can see guys, normal USB to type C. Okay, so just now I will connect this USB hub to my this converter. Okay, now this was converted into type C, as you can see guys. Now simply I will connect it to my Android phone like this. That's it. Now my USB hub was turned on, as you can see guys in my screen. So now what I do, just simply I will connect this USB pen drive to my USB hub like this, 1 and 2. Okay, as you can see guys. Now in your phone, what you need to do, you need to do some settings. First you need to open your phone settings. You need to enable the OTG connection. So just in the phone settings, search OTG and enable it. And if the developer option was disabled on your phone, just you need to enable it. Okay, so go to about phone, go to software information and tap on build number continuously 6 to 7 times, and the developer option will enable. Open it and enable the developer option. Scroll down and enable the USB debugging option from here. Okay, that's it. Now close this and disconnect your adapter and open your default file manager. Okay, so I will open the default file manager. So as you can see guys, this is my internal storage, this is my SD card, and this is my two USB pen drive, USB storage 1, USB storage 2. Okay, if you want to copy files from one storage to another storage, just simply select it, and then from here you can get the option copy, move. You can do as per your choice. So this is the proper method to connect more than one USB pen drive to your Android phone and use it. Okay, so this is very information video. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.